Okay. So last week, 722, we looked at MySQL for fixing SQL. Victoria talked about harvest, and we did a few triage. I looked at the status. If nobody has demos or some topics, then it will be short today. So new page, 729. It's summer and we can feel it. Today, demos. Does anyone have demos? It's been a long time. Well, 2 weeks. Jackson. Topics? I think Victoria said she will join every 2 weeks. That's maybe why she's not here. So status Orchard 1, there is nothing. Orchard core last time was 22nd. This one we saw. Update Docker images. Elasticsearch. Update SDK. Minor version update. And Docker image. And this one, Isham. If it's cultures, it's Isham. So what do we have here? Allow to set whether to fall back to the parent cultures or not through UI. Interesting. So a new setting apparently. Let me see. Oh no, maybe not a new setting. Let's see. It is a new setting because I was not aware about this setting. Well, I know about the behavior, but it was not a setting, it was by default. So gets or sets where the culture could fall back to its in one word, parent culture in case the current culture is not determined. False by default, which is wrong because today it's true, so this should be true by default, I believe. So that would be a breaking change otherwise. Also 2 blank lines. How is that Isham didn't catch it by himself? Localization service. Inherit docs from iLocalization service. I don't think it should be in the service. This is the settings. Might not have to be in the service itself. I believe the only concern was that, oh, it's in abstractions. So anything that is using only abstractions, because settings are not in abstractions, then they don't have access to that. It's like a patch, a hack, just to make it available where it had to be used. So let's put it on the localization service, but I don't think it should be there. I think if something had to be there, this should be the thing that gets the current culture, and then the implementation, which is there, would then take the settings into account and not expose it. So let's see where it's used. Okay, so the default implementation returns true. See, that's why the settings here is set to false by default. But then because we only use the implementation and not the settings, we don't see the bug that it should be true. If some code was to use the settings, then it would be broken. It's just fortunate that the test here and what it changed is just using the service that by default returns true. And then if we look, this is to update the settings from the UI. But if you go into the page and then you save, then it will make it false. So that's wrong. I mean, because of the default here, this one is not fixing it. Startup, localization options. Oh, because that's a property. Interesting. So that's a property, you see, it's a property on the localization options, the SPNet ones. So that's great. So it's just exposing it. And I believe okay, that's copy. So there are two options. This one. So it's taking this one into account. Interesting. Fallback to parent UI culture. Just to verify in CSPNet, yes, request localization options. Good. Which is in the module. So this is useless. I don't think we should implement it in the service at all. We should not have it at all. Everything is in the module. So we don't need that. We don't need that. This one is in the module, so it can use the settings directly. We do need that. We do need that. We don't need that. We do need that. And then this should update the settings directly, which it does. So yeah, all the things with the service and the abstraction should be removed. That's the only thing to do, I believe. So let's look at the PR. A lot of PRs that need to be triaged. And I commented on it. I didn't realize a month ago. In the startup. What did I miss? Startup is in the module, so the startup can use the settings. I believe. I might be wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong. Maybe it should not be, yeah, so it should not be in the UI then. It should just be from the options, from the settings, the configuration. So you just change it in app settings and you don't change it in the UI because at that point you can't take that into account in the startup probably. Okay. Oh, lots of work on Thursday because I was not there for the last triage. That's why we didn't do triage last week. Good. Questions, comments, topics?
Yeah, this is the first meeting for Liam, and on Thursday wanted to attend the triage meeting.
Ah, sorry, I am.
But
We
maybe he
didn't
wants
miss
to
a
talk.
triage for like a year, maybe, and then okay.
Yeah. First time about a long time. Liam, do you want to say something? Say hello? Want to talk about the things you discovered in Orchard Core? No? Okay.
Thursday. Ah, you need to fix it. Oh, and there was a chat. Sorry, I missed it.
His microphone is not working.
Reading it now. Yep, Tuesday meeting, doing a community check, looking at all the changes that went over the week, talking about demos, questions. And then on Thursday, it's more limited with less people, with just focusing on open issues, triaging the issues, and reviewing the PRs to merge them. So Tuesday is just talks and demos. Thursday is issues, triage, and merging PRs or giving comments and blocking PRs. Good then. Welcome, Liam. See you on Thursday then. Anyone else? All good. George, are you alive?
I'm asleep.
Okay. It happens. I was the whole week, like I traveled on Thursday, and today is the first day I feel almost good.
Yeah.
It's been so hard.
I
I'm too old.
understand that.
I'm too old to travel. Okay, all good. So I'll see most of you on Thursday then. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you, Antoine,
Thank you.
for the introduction.
Yeah.
Oh, and
Bye-bye.
Liam, on
Yeah.
Thursday it's earlier. So
Yeah, but I don't know where you're.
I missed that the first time I was joining.
Yeah, it's 10 a.m. Pacific time,
He
7
left.
p.m. Paris.
Just left.
No, he's still there. And
Okay. Okay.
German time, it's +1, right, George? +1. No, it's not +1 in Germany. Some part of Germany is +1 from Paris. No, it's the same time as Paris, I think, last time I checked. Yeah.
No, it's +1.
+1 from
Isn't
Paris?
it?
Everywhere? No.
I'm not sure.
No, because I checked and actually it was much
In Paris?
Easter. You see, it's 9:16 in Germany, like in Paris.
Okay.
Dude, you don't even know what time it
it's
is.
London, that's different. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
cool. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Cheers.